have you ever felt or heard from somebody, or have you ever felt that you are required to be a good girl, and what have you understood of that?
It's always been indirectly, or I've heard it behind my back. I was an actor when I was in school, so I was under this impression, like people had this perception about me that Arey, she's an actress, maybe she's not, she's not a good girl, she's a bad girl because she's an actress, and she's a child actor, so uske upar se she's from the industry. So like some teachers used to, I remember मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड तब मेरी स्कूल में, तब मेरी टीचर ने आके उसको कहा था कि इससे दूर रहो, ये अच्छी लड़की नहीं है क्योंकि ये एक्टर है. तो इट एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर. Then it went up to then the personality that I have. I'm a very outgoing, loud नहीं कह सकते, मतलब outgoing, jolly person, and I have lots of male friends. So कि अरे इसके तो इतने लड़के दोस्त हैं, तो she's तो all sorts of slurs are used. So ये सारी चीजें हैं ना, तो वो कि इतने, like I've had people come and tell me कि ना लड़कों को ऐसे मत हग किया कर, chest to chest मत hug कर, always give them a side hug. I've always heard this from people, and not my like family members or anything, like random idiots have come and told me, how can you like do chest to chest hugs with people, boys? I'm like, what? Like this doesn't make any sense. Do a side hug or like shake hands. Why do you abuse? You're a girl, you shouldn't abuse. Like girls don't abuse.
Yeah, of course.
Things. So these things I've heard a lot.
Revati, what about you?
Initially, like be a good girl तो मैंने काफी बार ही सुना है, मतलब वो तो like मम्मी कहती है वो तो फर्क होता है. But there was this one time where I was riding my cycle in my society, and this one uncle came to me, and I was wearing a halter neck top, sleeveless top tha. So then this random ass uncle came to me and he's like, listen, you should not wear clothes like this. अच्छे घर की लड़कियां ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहनती है. तो मेरा ये था कि मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे ये कपड़े दिए, मैं कुछ, अगर मम्मी को दिक्कत नहीं तो आप कौन होते. बट तब तो like I'm also in the second, third standard when he made this statement, so I was really upset. So I went back home and I started crying and I was like, Mama, this happened. And then she's like, no, that's not how it works. If you want to wear something, you should wear. ऐसे नहीं कि किसी ने आके बोलते तो तुम रोते रोते घर पे आओ. Even when I used to go to my native place, when I was young, तो the sleeveless हम मतलब मम्मी कहती थी कि मत पहना करो because maybe they will not like it. So there was also this one time where I wore a sleeveless top to my native place, and this other दूसरी घर की auntie has stared me from my head to my toe like at least 10 times. And then again, male friends. My mom has never had an issue with the amount of guy friends I've had in school, in college. Even today, I have more guy friends than girlfriends.
I want to ask you, how does friendship with guys work? Like, how cool is it, and how different is it from the friendship that you share with girls?
My guy friends they are like my saheliyas. They are literally my sakhis, and they are a part of everything that I do, I want to do, my family functions, big days of my life, bad days of my life. They are a part of everything, and the trust that you get from them is really like, I don't know how to explain it. It's real. I mean, it's really magical. I love hanging out with my guy friends, and they give you that sense of security, that sense of safety. कि मतलब मैं अगर कहीं 2 बजे भी कहीं बाहर आना है, I'm like, listen, can you come pick me up? He never says a no. He will always come pick me. He will make sure I'm home. They are like my go-to people, and I really love that.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Ehsas?
Yeah, I think that it really depends on the guy also, how they are. I feel like most of it depends on the guy to maintain a guy friendship. Like I've also had experiences where I'm very good friends with a man, and they have thought it differently, and they have come around and said, no, we love you, we want to take this to another level types. That's when it gets really ugly, and then I've broken friendship. So it really, like, I feel 80% of that friendship works on the guy, depends on the guy. But it is genuinely fun. You can actually, I feel like you can be yourself with them, and you also get a male perspective easily. You have access to male perspective, and how when you want to romantically get involved with someone else, you come to your male best friend to figure it out. So I think it's fun.
Are you guys able to sit with them and talk about feelings? वो कर पाए हो, like with girls I think we can do that easily.
मेरे वाले से हो जाती है. मेरा वाला मेल फ्रेंड भी बहुत सेंसिटिव है.
हाँ.
वो एक्चुअली ज्यादा वही बात करता है. जैसे वही मैं कहती हूँ कितना रोता है यार तू कभी तो फन बात कर. So
Nice.
Yeah, no, I'm able to speak to my male friends about feelings also. Luckily, I'm
Amazing.
like that.
Yeah, मुझे actually ये भी लगता है that I think male friends are able to talk about their feelings with their female friends
yeah.
better, I think.
Yeah, that I have experienced a
है ना?
lot where I have a friend who was going through a hard time and he came to me and he just started crying. And I'm just like, and when somebody cries in front of me, I get a little awkward and I'm just like, funny. And I'm just like, there. Because I don't know what to do, what kind of comfort this person needs. I know what I want, the Samnala person might know what I want. But now I don't know what this person wants. And I'm just like, listen, what do you want me to do? Like, you want me to sit here? And he's like, yeah, just sit here. And I said, okay, fine. And he cried. So I think they are very emotionally available both ways. Like, even I can be very, I can be my most vulnerable self in front of them. Even they are their most vulnerable self.
Nice. Okay, I want to come to the other part of this conversation now, and I want to ask you girls, have you girls felt shame around something? Like shame around talking about something? Let's say shame around periods or shame around talking about sex. ये कभी रहा है? Has this been like a baggage?
स्कूल में बहुत देखो मेरी मम्मी ने तो कभी it never came from my mother. My mom was always very obviously she was the only one who told me about periods in the first place, but then there was no shame कि ऐसे don't talk about it to people or she was very chill about everything. But yes, in school, like because my friends were told you can't talk about periods or you can't buy sanitary pads or say sanitary pads or say the word period in front of anybody, because they were unfortunately in that environment where they were taught not to say these words. So then obviously when I would say period, they would always shush me कि अरे नहीं ऊंची नहीं बोलना. So then for me that was okay, maybe this is it, this is how it is. But then again, as I grew up, went to college, I had a different set of friends and they were very chill about it, and also my mom helped in that. So धीरे धीरे मतलब वो एक होता रहता था, कभी होता है कभी नहीं होता है. पर आज तो मैं बड़ा खुल के बोलती हूँ कि महीना चल रहा है.
Okay, so now we're going to get into something fun again, because you both are also very, at least Ehsaas, a little more, I think, is more unhinged than Revati is.
100%.
Okay, so this is Zivame Presents Unhooked and Unhinged, alright? There is a little shame also around talking about bras and lingerie, right? अगर दिख गया, oh my god. Like, have you seen, आप किसी भी mall में जाओ and if you go to the lingerie section, यार I will confess that अभी मैं जब जाती हूँ ना तो मैं ऐसे देखती हूँ कि अच्छा मुझे देख कौन रहा है. Like, who is actually, like, how many people are actually looking at me?
I've never felt that.
Hey?
I've never had, that thought has never crossed my mind.
I was very shy until 3-4 years ago when we went shopping. This is, I think, after COVID, when the first time we went for lunch and then we went shopping and you were like, okay, let's go to the bra section. And I'm just like this?
I don't know.
And yeah, because it was very normal for you. And I'm just
Nice.
like, मैं उसको कैसे बोलूँ कि मुझे शर्म आ रही है. But then she went, she walked, she bought, and she like, तुझे चाहिए? मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं यार ऑनलाइन मंगा लिया.
मैं तो इतनी बदतमीज हूँ, मैं तो वहाँ पहन के ऐसे लगा के रखती हूँ अपने ऊपर कि ये ठीक है,
ये अच्छी लग रही है, ये खराब लग, इसको उतारते कैसे?
फिर मुझे बोला है मेरी एक और दोस्त उसने बोला है कि ये नहीं करना, ये रहने देते, तुम हो ओपन, इतना नहीं लगा.
So I think after that I have been a little more open about कि अच्छा कपड़े तो है भाई,
हाँ,
मतलब
correct.
गलत तो तुम कुछ कर नहीं रहे हो कि
बिल्कुल.
ऐसे इतना शर्माओ. तो
ना
उसके
पहनो
बाद
तो
से
दिक्कत, खरीदो तो दिक्कत,
दिखे तो दिक्कत.
हाँ बे.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.